Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are making homemade strawberry shortcake. Stay tuned for the ingredients.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had this place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had this place on nothing, take you there.
Guys, my girls got me in here being Betty Crocker today, okay? So I'm about to make strawberry shortcake. So these are all the ingredients you're going to need to whip together this delicious strawberry shortcake. We got our flour, sugar, and baking soda in there. 12 tablespoons of butter that I'm about to cut up in bite-sized pieces. Let's get it. So I cut up the butter. I shifted the flour and stuff in there. Add 1 cup of milk. And don't put all the butter in there like I did. Do it in parts and blend it so it won't be so hard to blend. Okay? And then we're going to add half a cup of the heavy cream and blend it up. Okay? Mix until the mixture is just combined. You know, and then if it is too wet, then add in a little bit more flour because you don't want it to be too wet to work with, okay? I lost a little bit of footage, so what you want to do is knead the dough, add flours to your hand, and then bring it into a bowl, and then you're going to wrap it in some saran wrap and go ahead and put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes and then bring it out, okay? And here I'm just flattening it out, kneading it out. I should have used a rolling pin, but you know. Guys, you know I should have had some flour on my hands, Lord. And I probably should have left it, put it back in the fridge for a few more minutes because you want it to be firm and not stick it to the knife as it's doing here. But I was trying to get that Thanksgiving dinner done. But anyway, I hope you're having a blessed day. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new here, welcome. Just a few more minutes and it wouldn't be sticking, Lord. But they were good. They were good, guys. It was good. So don't worry about it. First time trying this recipe from scratch, so don't do me, y'all. Don't do me. They not even. Cut up your strawberries in quarters and then add the sugar to them and let them sit so it can make the nice juices to drizzle over top of your strawberry shortcake. Okay, guys, we're about to make our heavy whipping cream and then going to sit it in the fridge. Let it set up until we're ready to use it, okay? So you'll need 1 cup and a couple of drips of the pure vanilla extract, okay? So let's get started. And 2 teaspoons of the confectioner's sugar. Tell you, they're working me, guys. It's okay. I love my babies. So anything they want, I try to give it. And especially something simple as this, made with love, guys. You can never go wrong, right? I love it. So we are going to go ahead and whip this up and till it becomes foamy. Oops, I unplugged it when I used it earlier. Bear with me. Okay, now we got some action. And so this is all you're gonna do is keep whipping it up until it becomes nice and to a thick foam. And then I'm gonna cover it, put it in the fridge, and let it set up. Then we'll be ready to build, okay? There we go. We got it. See that, guys? All right, so I'm gonna cover this up and put it in the fridge. Hey guys, they're not perfect, but here they are. So we're gonna go ahead to the next step. Add some filling and strawberries, you know, the whipped cream in the inside. Top it with another biscuit, top it with some more whipped cream, and yes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This was so delicious and the girls loved it. Thank you for watching and come back, y'all, anytime. I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later.